Uh, well, fucking well. What do we have here? Yep. Not much. Fucking great. They always give me your kind. What kind of shit did you do to get caught? Huh? Come on, say something. Are you afraid? What are you whimpering for? Knock that shit off. You obviously had to do something real bad to get here. Something pretty bad. I'm not saying it was badass that you're probably fucking retarded. We don't care who we bring in or what you were before. You're gonna talk, and we're gonna make you talk, one way or another. You're only bound to this chair because they wanted you there. I didn't want you there. But I can take it out for you and fuck you if that's what you want. Slut. Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Sure fucking whore. There is absolutely no point. You messing with us? Like, you hear me right now? Hey, is this thing on? Hello? There was no point. We have so many guys. And you do this shit? And you do this shit. Fucking make my life hard. I'll tell you something else. You're making me really fucking hard. You're lucky. You're damn lucky. And I have to wear this shit. Area's contaminated. Looks just like any old bandit mask. I got a filter in here. And you know what? You don't have a mask, so you're fucked. You have that virus. You have that shit. Also, I don't want you to know who I am. Who knows what I'm gonna do to you down here. And listen, I didn't do this to you. I was told to do this to you. I didn't imprison you. I didn't catch you. I am the slave. I am the lackey. Soon to be the licky. Cause you looking pretty good. Yeah, you don't see much action out here when it comes to stuff like that. So, tell me about yourself. You still never told me why the fuck you got here in the first place and why you're making me waste my time off. I shook my ass up and said, Riley, get the fuck out of bed. There's a guy here. We just caught him. Fucking... Make my life difficult, you know that? I should fucking kill you where you stand. Fucker. You like the piece? I got my I got my piece off of there was this one guy, he was a police officer in Dallas. We are everywhere, okay. And it's cute. He walks up to me and he says, what the fuck's wrong with you guys? Like, I'm trying to restore order here. And, you know, as being bandits and all, we're like, fuck you, and we knock him down and tie him up and kicking his ass, and he's crying for help, and I say, motherfucking anarchy, bitch. Shoot him right in the face. And my piece was an old piece, and it was going bad, and he had a nice one. I mean, it was engraved, it had his children's name on it, and it still does. So, that was pretty fucking dope. I mean, they're not my kids, but fuck it. It's engraved in gold, bitch. Gold. And being a bandit and all. Gold is the second best thing to pussy. Yeah, pretty good. I don't know. How else am I gonna make you talk? How about getting up in your face, huh? You like that? Does it make you uncomfortable? Hey, what's going on? Talk to me. Come on. I can be your friend. Come on. Why do you stare so wide-eyed at me? I didn't do a damn thing to you yet. You know what? Other than my gun, I don't have anything. Well, there did leave some things down here. They're not for me, but I'll take a look. Just give me a minute. Just relax. Stay right where you are. You actually can't move because I did bind your head to the chair, so you can't turn it regardless of whether you want to or not. What do I want? Ooh, I like this. Fits well in the hand. You know, I found this when we were going through a school, and there actually was still children in it. And in the band department, they had this. And I don't know what the fuck this is for. This is like some old man's walker cane or some shit. I don't know. I took fucking wood shop in high school. Yeah, this thing. You know, who knows what the fuck they use this for? This is probably some cute, like, can shit. No, I'm not fucking dancing for you. Fuck that. Like, you dance for me, bitch. Take this thing, pull a cue straight to your eye. You fucked up real good. But, watch out because, I might come up right behind. Matter of fact, let me just, rim this right around your asshole. You know, we're supposed to keep this gear on for our safety. I don't fucking care. The wasteland's out there to kill you. There are mutants as far as the eyes can see. How did you live? How did your dumb ass get caught by us and not killed by the fucking scorpions out there? The whole world's a desert. You managed to get caught by bandits? Fucking bandits. You know, I'm surprised we didn't shoot you dead. Because you just look like a piece of shit. Look how scrawny you are. Good God. What would you be useful for? Only two options I see. Cook you up in a pan with butter and onions. Or we just fucking rape you, burn you. It'll be fuel for the bonfire. The bonfire we have is quite nice, actually. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that fancy shit tied on the end there. Look at this. Holy shit, look how pristine this is. What the fuck? Or how about this right here? Fucking close to your shit. Did you scream yet? Did you scream yet? No. You are one tough motherfucker. We'll have to change that though. You're not gonna be intimidated by this. Well, you might be. How about now? That was horrible. That was fucking horrible. Look at this. This isn't a weapon at all, but look at this. Wooden sword. Picked this up at decrepit fairgrounds. I don't know why. I think it's because someone put it in a bunker. I'm having a hard time doing this. You fucking judging me? You piece of shit. You got in here. Fuck you. But anyway, back to what I was saying before you really interrupted me. We have found this. Yeah, it's a little rugged, but holds well. Fucking eyes. You know what I want to do? I want to fuck the color right out of your eyes. Only thing you'll see is red, like me. have to keep the noise down. Everybody's asleep. It's fucking 1:30 in the morning. Everybody's asleep, but I have to come show you a lesson. What fucking bullshit is that? Ah, yes, yes, yes. You know how I was talking about a pool cue? Yeah, we found a pool table. We brought it back. You know how fucking dope that is? We can, instead of just sitting on our asses, sticking our thumbs up them, fucking play pool, bitch. I'm looking with the eyes. You're dead. Just want you to know. Hey, how's it doing? I might sound friendly now, but give it a week. You'll be fucking crawling on your knees, covered in blood. Cause you know, this cool little game stick shit will be my weapon. I'll make it that. I'll break the tip off of this and shove it so far up your ass. Every shit you take, you'll remember me. You know why? Because the splinters are just gonna cut deep. You'll remember me. Fucking Riley. Okay. Well, I don't know. I'm tired, man. You can fucking wake me up, piece of shit. Gonna just stay at home in the morning. But you know, I think we can get along pretty well. Don't you? We could be friends, right? There. You'll be alright. No, you won't. I'm totally fucking kidding. You'll be fucked. Literally. Slut. Get some fucking shut eye. You're probably tired as hell. But don't get too much. And you might get energy and you might try to escape. Oh, you do not want to escape. Because when we find you again, we will rape you and we will kill you. Okay, that sink in. But, have a good night, Bumphead. I'll be dreaming about you. Sleep well, baby.